In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Clipchamp. Crafting an eye-catching thumbnail is essential for grabbing viewers' attention and boosting your channel's visibility. With Clipchamp, it's easy to create visually appealing thumbnails, even if you're new to graphic design. Let's dive into the process and make something exciting together. First off, we'll start by opening Clipchamp on your computer or browser. If you haven't already, signing up is quick and straightforward. It requires just an email address. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard, where we can begin creating your thumbnail. From the dashboard, you'll want to select the option to create a new project. Although Clipchamp is often used for video editing, it's quite versatile and will work perfectly for a thumbnail project. Click on Create a New Video to get started. Don't worry, while it says video, this will actually enable you to easily use all of its tools for a static design. Once you're in the workspace, head to the top of the screen and set your dimensions. Generally, the ideal size for a YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels. This ensures that your thumbnail will look great across all platforms and devices. In the workspace, you'll see a blank canvas in these dimensions, which will serve as the base for your design. Now, it's time to choose the right background. On the left side of the screen, take a look through Clipchamp's extensive library of stock images and colors. Find something that reflects the theme of your video while still being visually appealing. Remember, the background sets the tone, so pick wisely. You can also upload your own image if you have something specific in mind. Next, let's add some engaging text. Head over to the text menu, where you can browse through numerous font options. Clipchamp offers a variety of styles here, so feel free to experiment with different ones to see what stands out to you. An important tip here is to ensure the text is easy to read, even at a small size. Consider adjusting the color, size, and placement for maximum impact. In addition to text, consider adding some interesting graphics or icons. Clipchamp provides a selection of stickers and elements that can enhance your design. Just be careful not to overwhelm the image. The goal is to maintain a clean and professional look. Once your thumbnail looks just right, it's time to preview your work. Clipchamp allows you to see how your design will appear, so you can make any necessary adjustments. Finally, when you're pleased with the design, click on the Export button, choose your desired quality settings, and save the image file to your computer. And there you have it, a perfect, custom YouTube thumbnail ready to upload to your channel. With Clipchamp, creating thumbnails becomes an enjoyable and efficient process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials.